Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, my name is Anthea. You are most welcome and I hope that you keep coming back. I am going to share a 2-ingredient natural DIY face mask that is going to help clear your acne. It is none other than the cinnamon and honey face mask. Both cinnamon and honey have natural antibacterial properties, which means that they are going to even help prevent future breakouts. And on top of that, honey helps reduce redness on the skin and also hydrates the skin. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so at this point, and do not forget to turn on notifications by tapping that little bell on the right so you'll be the first to know every time I post a new video on my channel. To make this very simple mask, you will need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of honey. In a small bowl, mix it to make a thick paste. Apply this mask after you have washed your face before you apply the other skincare products in your skincare routine. If you have any problems with applying honey to your skin, you can substitute it with water, with agave syrup, or plain yogurt. Let the mask sit until you feel it starting to tighten your skin. That should take about 10 minutes. Do not leave it on for too long because cinnamon actually can irritate the skin very easily. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and continue with the rest of your skincare routine. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, share, leave me a comment below, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do not forget to do so and turn on notifications so you'll be in the know every time I post a new video.